Welcome everyone. Children, in this video we will see how to create a series in Python Pandas. In our last video we have seen the different types of data, different forms of data, list, dictionary and tuple. Now in this video we will see how to create a series. For creation of series, first we have to import pandas library in our program, and after that we can use series function of pandas library to create a series in Python. So what is the syntax? Simply we write the name of the series object, then equal sign, and then pandas dot series function. So let's see how this will be done. This is our Jupyter. Okay, so what first you have to import pandas. You know, if we use some special functions of some special module or library, we have to import that library in our program. So here we are importing pandas as PD. Here I have written PD. Why? Because pandas, the name of the library is too long and we have to type each time pandas the word. Then simply if we use the alias or a simple name, then our typing effort will be less. So here I have written import pandas as PD. Now to create a series, first we have to write a series variable. Suppose it is S, and then I write PD, the name of the alias, the name using which we have imported pandas in our program. So this is PD dot series, and here I am going to create empty series. Empty series means I am not going to provide any data. So this type of series is called empty series, and here I am going to print the series, print S. So for creation of series, what we have to do? First we have to import the library in our program, and the library is pandas. Then on the left hand side I have to write the name of the series object, then equal. After that the name of the you can say this one is your name of the library, that is either pandas or PD. Then we will use series function of this library. So series, here I am not giving any data because I am going to create an empty series. So I have pressed shift and enter. Okay, now to create an empty series, simply we write PD dot series and not giving any, not providing any value. So this is your empty series. In case of non-empty series, you have to provide two things. One is the data, and second argument is optional, index. By default you have seen the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to change the index, then you can change index also. Otherwise simply what you have to do, you have to provide the data. So let's see how we create a series by providing data. So we are going to see how to create a series using array. Array, you know, it's a structure, it's a, you can say, data type of NumPy also, plus pandas also. So here I am going to create an array simply using a list of numbers, and I'll pass that array to the series and series will be created. Now let's see. Suppose actually I have imported pandas here, so I am not writing import command again and again. Now I am going to create an array. So arr equals to PD dot array array inside bracket. I have to provide some values for array. So these are the values. Then shift, not shift, enter, and now I have to create the series. So I am writing S equals to PD dot series, and what I have to do, I have to provide this array as data for this series and print S. Shift enter. So you can see here the series is created, and by default the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So using array you can create a series. Simply a series is also created using a list. You have seen earlier in our previous lectures. Here I have created a series, simply a series using a list. So this is also a way to create a series. But your first topic was creation of series using an array. So this is the way. First you create an array using pandas library. After that you pass that array as data to the function series, and this is your series. Now the next topic. Here two examples are there. You can see it's very easy. X is an array and the values are here, and we passed X as argument to the series function, and this series is created. Here NumPy is used. Now NumPy is removed from your class 12 syllabus, even 11th also. Here arange function is used to create an array, and after that particular array is passed to series. One more example is there. This is again an array is created using arange function of NumPy, and then in this case we have given data as well as index also. So A is going to be used as an index and data is A square. So how it will generate the values? Arange is there, that means 9 to 12 values are generated, and 13 is exclusive. Actually less than 13 values will be generated from 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, these are the index, and the data will be index square. So A is used as index, so its square of index is 9. In place of 9, square is 81, then 100, 121, 144. So this is also the way you can create a series using array. But in your syllabus, children, simply you can create a series using a simple array, which is a function of pandas, and don't concentrate on the NumPy as it is removed from your syllabus. So simply you have to create an array using pandas, and then pass that particular array to the series function, and your series will be created. So this is it in this video. We have seen how to create an empty series and how to create a series using ND array. In our next video we will see how to create a series using scalar value, and then some mathematical operations on series. Okay children, thank you so much.